Hello and welcome! Today we'll be making these scrap clay earrings. Grab your supplies and let's do it! Grab 2 colors of clay from your scrap clay pile. Chop them up into whatever size pieces you would like. Big, small, somewhere in between. Mix it up. And then begin to push it together into a tube-like shape. And then roll it out until it is long and fairly thin. I took red, black, and charcoal color clay, mixed it together, and rolled it out until it is really thin. I did use my pasta machine and rolled it out to a number 4. If you don't have a pasta machine, that's okay. Just roll it out as thin as you can. Place your rolled out clay in the middle of your flattened clay. And then roll it up. If you are enjoying this tutorial, please hit that subscribe button. I do post videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Just be sure that your rolled out clay is covered completely. Gently roll to remove any air bubbles. Slice your clay into sections. You do want to vary your sizes. I'll show you why in a minute. Begin laying them out in an offsetting pattern. Mix the big and small sizes into each row. Gently roll out your clay. I'm not using too much pressure. I just want to join all the pieces together. Be sure to roll in all directions. Use your tissue blade and begin shaving off thin layers. Put all of these into a scrap pile. You will use them in a moment. Once you are done, take all of your scrap clay and roll it out. The way you lay it out does not matter. This will be the backing for our clay. Now place your clay on top. Take a sandwich baggie and cut off the zipper, and then cut open the sides so it's a single layer. Place this on top of your clay and gently roll your fingers over the top to get out any air bubbles. Take your circle cutter and cut out your shape. This will not damage the baggie, but it will give your clay rounded edges, as opposed to cutting directly through the clay without the baggie, which would leave your edges sharp. Roll out gold-colored clay, or whatever color clay you choose, and then fold it in half and twist those two together. I am applying gentle pressure when I'm twisting. Try and twist so that your clay is all the same thickness. Apply some bacon bond around the edge of the circle. Take your twisted clay and wrap it around the edge of the circle. Make sure it fits pretty snugly. Cut off any excess clay and then gently attach the two ends together. Do this for all 4 circles. Take your needle tool or a toothpick and poke a hole at the top of each large circle. This will be for the jump ring after we bake it. And then put a hole at the top and bottom of the small circle. Bake your pieces. Now paint the twisted clay with whatever color paint you choose. Be sure to get down into all the grooves. Once your paint has dried, use a damp soapy cloth to remove any excess paint. Resin your pieces. To assemble your earrings, attach a jump ring to the top of the large circle and the bottom of the small circle. Attach a jump ring to the top of the small circle and then add a smaller jump ring on that. Open up the small jump ring and add your earring hook. And these are your wonderfully cute scrap clay earrings. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found something useful. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!